In this video, we are going to solve 5 more problems from the chapter Vector Analysis. So our first problem is, a particle moves from a point minus 2i cap plus 5j cap to 4j cap plus 3k cap when a force of 4i cap plus 3j cap Newton is applied. How much work has been done by the force? And these are the 4 options. So according to the problem, it is given that the position vector of the particles are r1 equals to minus 2i cap plus 5j cap and r2 equals to 4j cap plus 3k cap. Therefore, the displacement of the particle is given by delta s equals to vector r2 minus vector r1, which is equals to 4j cap plus 3k cap minus 2i cap plus 5j cap, which is equals to 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Now force on the particle is given by vector F equals to 4i cap plus 3j cap Newton. Therefore, work done on the particle is given by W equals to vector F dot delta S, which is equals to 4i cap plus 3j cap dot 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Now if you calculate this dot product, then you will get 5 joule. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Our next problem is, if vectors A equals to cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap and vector B equals to cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap are functions of time, then the value of t at which they are orthogonal to each other is, and these are the 4 given options. We know that the condition for two vectors to perpendicular to each other is A dot B equals to 0. That is, the dot product between the vectors is 0. Now if you put the expressions for A and B, that is cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap dot cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap, then their dot product will be equals to 0, which is equals to cos omega t times cos omega t by 2 plus sin omega t times sin omega t by 2 equals to 0. Now we are going to use the formula for cos of A minus B, which is equals to cos A times cos B plus sin A times sin B. If we use this formula, then we will get cos of omega t minus omega t by 2 equals to 0, or cos omega t by 2 equals to 0. Therefore, we can say that omega t by 2 should be equals to pi by 2, or t should be equals to pi over omega. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Our next problem is, a force vector F equals to alpha I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap is acting at a point vector R equals to 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 12k cap. The value of alpha for which angular momentum about origin is conserved is, and these are the 4 given options. From the principle of conservation of angular momentum, we know that when the total angular momentum of a system is conserved, the resultant external torque acting on the system is 0. Now it is given that vector F is equals to alpha I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. Vector R equals to 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 12k cap. Now torque is defined as tau equals to R cross F. Now according to the question, as the angular momentum about the origin is conserved, so the torque is 0. Therefore, we can write R cross F is equals to 0. Now if you calculate the cross product between R cross F, that is the determinant of this thing should be equals to 0. Now if you calculate the determinant, then you will get alpha plus 1 times minus 12j cap plus 6k cap equals to 0, or we can say that alpha plus 1 is equals to 0, therefore alpha is equals to minus 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Our next problem is, vectors A, B and C are such that A dot B equals to 0 and A dot C equals to 0. Then the vector parallel to A is, and these are the 4 options. So according to the question, it is given that A dot B equals to 0 and A dot C is equals to 0. Therefore, we can say that both the vectors b and c are perpendicular to A. Therefore, we can also say that vector b plus vector c will also be perpendicular to A. Now let's consider vector d is equals to vector A cross vector b. Then d will always be perpendicular to both A and B. Therefore, the first option cannot be true as A cross B will be perpendicular to A. Now let's consider the third option, that is B cross C. We know that B cross C will be a vector and it will be perpendicular to both B and C. Now as both the vectors B and C are perpendicular to A and also B cross C is perpendicular to both B and C, therefore we can say that the vector B cross C will be parallel to A. This can also be realized if you calculate the vector triple product of A, B, C. You will get that the vector triple product of A, B and C will be 0. Therefore, you can say that the vector B cross C will be parallel to A. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Now, our last problem is a uniform force of 3 I cap plus j cap Newton acts on a particle of mass 2 kg. Hence, the particle is displaced from the position 2 I cap plus k cap meter to position 4 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap meter. The work done by the force on the particle is, and these are the 4 given options. So, according to the question, it is given that the vector F is equals to 3 I cap plus j cap and position vectors of the particles are r1 equals to 2 I cap plus k cap meter and r2 equals to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap meter. Therefore, the displacement vector of the particle will be delta S equals to r2 minus r1, which is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap meter. Now, from this we can calculate the work done, which is given by F dot delta S, which is equals to 3 I cap plus j cap dot 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap. Now, if you calculate this dot product, then you will get the work done on the particle is 9 joule. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. So, we solve all the problems related to vector analysis from the year 2013 to 2023. So, that's it for now. See you in the next video.